The A-Segmet DP20 is a cutting-edge digital tape measure featuring an easy-to-read LCD display. This advanced tool provides accurate measurements with digital precision, making it ideal for various applications, from home improvement projects to professional construction. The compact design ensures portability, while the user-friendly interface enhances convenience. Its reliable performance and modern features make the A-Segmet DP20 an indispensable tool for precise measurements. Here's an interesting device for dog owners: a hands-free leash. Priced at $13, it makes walking your dog more comfortable, safer, and more enjoyable. According to the creators, the new design provides 360-degree control of the dog while being compatible with conventional leashes. Simply secure it to a special belt. The belt size is universal, fitting waists from 20 to 44 inches, and includes a compartment for storing small items. This automatic cup washer will help you quickly clean mugs, cups, and glasses. To start, simply place the glass upside down and push down on it. The manufacturer believes this gadget will be well received in bars and restaurants. It is suitable for cups and glasses with a diameter of up to 4.3 inches. When assembled, it takes up minimal space and can be operated with just one hand. The price starts at $13. Meet Pixie, a compact and user-friendly mini drone from Snap Inc., designed for capturing spontaneous moments. With a lightweight design and easy controls, Pixie hovers, follows, and captures high-quality photos and videos hands-free. Perfect for adventures and everyday use, it effortlessly enhances your social media content. The creators of this smart lock aimed to innovate the door lock market with a feature-rich device. It can recognize fingerprints in 0.3 seconds, detect and close an open door automatically, and operate in temperatures ranging from 158 to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. The lock uses an AES 128 chip for bank-grade encryption with data stored locally for better privacy. There are 4 ways to open the door: fingerprint, app via Bluetooth, entering a code, or using a key. Priced at $170, would you trust it with the security of your home? This multi-tool is a true work of art in engineering. Despite its compact size, it can replace more than 16 tools, including a can opener, wire stripper, ruler, multi-fit driver, file, and even a bike spoke key. Each unit is crafted from a single piece of stainless steel and weighs just 0.77 ounces. The multi-tool is easy to carry in a pocket or as a keychain on a backpack. It's an ideal gift for anyone who wants to be prepared for anything at a moment's notice. The price is $23. This carbon dioxide monitoring system is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The design, inspired by canaries, recalls the practice of taking canaries into mines to detect gas impurities. If the CO2 level exceeds a safe threshold, the bird tilts down and it rises again once the room is ventilated. The patented minimalist design features no wires, notifications, or audible signals. Powered by a built-in battery, it lasts for 3 months on a single charge. The price is $116. How compact and powerful can a power bank be? These models are no bigger than a credit card, but offer impressive capacity. The most powerful model weighs 0.4 pounds, about the same as the iPhone XS, and has a capacity of 10,000 mAh. The 0.4-inch thick body is made of aluminum, and the power bank can fit in your pants or jacket pocket if necessary. It supports quick charge and power delivery technologies and features multiple systems to protect against short circuits, overloads, and overheating. This version costs $37, while smaller models with a capacity of 2500 mAh are priced at about $23. Described as the Swiss Army knife of cables, this compact adapter fits on a keychain and simplifies gadget charging. Each unit includes USB, USB-C, and dual Apple Plus micro USB plugs, effectively replacing 6 cables. It can charge a MacBook Pro in just over an hour and a half and significantly speeds up data transfer. Additionally, you can perform unique tasks like charging one phone from another. All of this is available for just $14. This gadget is designed for cyclists and motorcyclists. According to the designer, you just need to attach it to the brake disc and your vehicle will be reliably protected from theft. The device can scan fingerprints, but can also be used with a special key. It weighs 0.5 pounds and is powered by 2 CR2032 batteries. The gadget is usable year-round, as it's moisture-proof and works in temperatures from 4 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a bright orange cable that adds extra security and serves as a reminder to unlock the device. The resale price is $75. The designers of this wallet claim it is the only one that protects both your privacy and cash. It features a code lock with 1,000 combinations and RFID blocking technology to protect your contactless cards from electronic data theft. The wallet has enough space for 50 bills or 12 cards and can also be used for key storage. Weighing only 4.5 ounces, it can be easily opened with one hand. In case the wallet is stolen, a special app will help you locate it. The cost is $83. This under-cabinet light features a built-in motion sensor and has a battery life of up to 150 days. It's easy to mount on ceilings and walls and can also function as a flashlight or reading lamp thanks to its soft and warm light. You can adjust the mode with a single switch. The manufacturer offers a model with a tilted body and promises that both versions will last at least 10 years. The X-Craft is a versatile, all-in-one tool combining an electric polisher, screwdriver and drill. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this compact device is perfect for various DIY projects and home repairs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while multiple speed settings allow precise control. The X-Craft simplifies tasks, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Here's an interesting gadget for those who enjoy the look of fire, a humidifier with a flame effect. Depending on the model, its capacity ranges from 6 to 9 ounces. The compact design fits easily on your desk or bedside table. The manufacturer emphasizes its quiet operation so the light won't disturb your sleep. You can add scented oils, and some models allow you to adjust the flame color for a magical touch in the room. The price is about $19. This timer is perfect for use in the kitchen, during workouts or games, in studies, and a variety of other scenarios. For $36, you get a timer with a magnetic base for easy attachment, 6 countdown patterns, 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, and 30 minutes, customizable sound effects, and a countdown mode. It's user-friendly, with enough battery power for about 10 hours of continuous use. The gadget weighs 2 ounces. Imagine you're enjoying a day at a cafe and need to go to the restroom, but you have a heavy backpack or laptop that you can't leave unattended. The creators of this gadget offer a solution, It protects your belongings in your absence. Simply enter a code and place the gadget next to your items. If someone attempts to steal them, an alarm will sound and a built-in camera will record the theft. The gadget is waterproof, shockproof, and connects to smartphones. It has a 600 mAh battery capacity and costs $79. Stay cool on a hot summer day with this neck fan, priced starting at $13. The manufacturer promises a range of interesting features, such as vents designed to prevent airflow from damaging your makeup and an air intake protected from dust and sweat. A fully charged battery lasts for 16 hours. The model weighs 11 ounces, operates in 3 airflow modes, and comes in several colors. This gadget can be used both indoors and outdoors. Keep your knives sharp with this convenient sharpener. It includes 2 diamond rods for sharpening and 2 ceramic rods for honing. 3 preset sharpening angles, 15, 20 and 25 degrees, accommodate a wide variety of knives. Non-slip rubber stands provide stability, and textured inserts on the upper part enhance grip. A lanyard hole makes storage easier. The cost is $18. In 2022, there's no need to scrub pots and pans with a sponge anymore. This handheld steam dishwasher generates steam at 221 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to clean dishes without detergent in just 10 seconds per plate. It's also effective for cleaning pots, pans, trays, and more. Additionally, the system is useful for house cleaning with adjustable steam pressure and an extra nozzle. The 10-foot cleaning range with a 5-foot power cable and a 5-foot hose ensures flexibility. The price for this machine is $300. The creators of this mat claim it to be the world's best alarm clock. To turn off the alarm, you need to get out of bed and stand on the mat with both feet for 3 to 30 seconds. While owners of conventional alarm clocks may snooze for 5 more minutes, Ruggy users are already up and starting their day. Built-in speakers deliver up to 120 decibels, making it louder than classic alarm clocks. The mat is comfortable to stand on, made from special foam described as soft as a cloud. The mat costs $82. But one user suggests a cheaper solution, placing your phone far away from your bed. This $50 bottle analyzes the water you drink and provides recommendations on maintaining your water balance. The gadget helps you stay hydrated by analysing the amount and quality of water you consume, encouraging you to meet your daily and weekly hydration goals. You can track your statistics through the app. The bottle has an 18-ounce capacity, weighs 0.8 pounds, and features a versatile design with a lid and loop, making it easy to take anywhere, whether to work or while travelling. This meat tenderizer helps you make meat more tender and cook it faster, reducing cooking time by an average of 40%, according to the manufacturer. It also speeds up the marinating process. Weighing 0.3 pounds, the device features stainless steel needles and an ABS plastic body. The working area has a diameter of about 2 inches, and a special attachment ensures safe operation. The process is quieter than with regular tenderizers.